Tabs in Next.js.
Yes. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's class. Today is day 78 of our web development course. Today is day 78 of our web development course, and today we want to look at the concept of tabs. Okay, we want to look at the concept of tabs. Okay. So remember, this is a new concept I want to introduce to you, and it's a very important concept, and it's very crucial as we go by. Okay. So members, before I can start what we're going to cover today, I would like to first hint about what we are going to cover, what we covered previously in yesterday's class. Okay. So members, yesterday was day 78. Yesterday was day 78. Yeah, yesterday was day 77. And yesterday we looked at the concept of modal stacking. Okay, these are the concept of modal stacking. So members, this was a very important concept we covered yesterday, where various modal pop-ups overlap each other. Okay, and this concept here taught us some bit of good behavior while we are building these UIs where there are various modal pop-ups. Okay. So members, yesterday we looked at the concept where we have, for example, pop-ups when they are like pop-ups like when they're like 3, now if they're like 3, if they're like more than, they're like 5, that when the pop-ups overlap each other, they cause a broken UI, okay? And they cause a very bad user interface for those users or the customers, okay? So members, yesterday I looked at this concept, and it's a very crucial concept. If you happen to miss this lesson, I would urge you to go there and on the channel and check for it, and then you see it. Okay. So members, that's what we covered yesterday. I can maybe take it off. Okay. So members, before I can start, I would like to first hint about something. Members, if you have not yet subscribed, I would urge you to hit the subscribe button and notification icon so that you don't miss on your upcoming classes. Okay. So members, today we are going to look at this concept here of day 78. Okay, of tabs. This is a very crucial concept where we are heading to. We are going to use some bit of this. Okay, especially when you are building systems. Okay. So here, members, let me first begin and I show you. Okay. So what are tabs? So the biggest question here is, what are tabs? What are tabs? Okay. What are tabs? Is the biggest question right now. So members, if I can define tabs, let me bring it here. What are tabs is our big concern right now. Okay. So tabs, these are a set of buttons that allow a user to switch between different content panels. Okay. These are a set of buttons. These are a set of buttons. Usually they are like horizontal. Usually they are horizontal. That allow a user to switch. Let me bring it here down. To switch between different content panels. Okay, panels like this. Okay. So members, these are what we call as tabs. Okay. So members, you would have seen something like this in the past. I can even illustrate it here. If I bring it here like this, I can illustrate here. For example, if we have, for example, something like this, and now it looks like this. Okay. So members, you find we have something like this, and you have, for example, it's a rectangle like that one, and you can see something like this. Okay. So members, it will appear like this, and there will be certain units. For example, there can be like a unit here. For example, like a button here. Okay, there can be like a button here. Then there can be another button, for example, here. Okay, there can be like another button, for example, like here. Okay, then there can be another button, like for example, like here, as you can see. Okay. So members, I'm trying to just illustrate and you see. Okay, then there can be another button, for example, like here. Okay, okay. So let me just let me make them like 4. Let me make them like 4. Okay, okay. So members, it appears like this. So let me bring this one here, and you see. Let me also bring this one here, and you see. This one here, let me bring it here, and you see. So members, it appears, for example, something like this. I'll just give an example. Okay, okay. So members, can it appear like this where we have here, for example, tab 1. Tab 1, okay? Tab 1 is there. Tab 1 is there. Then we have, for example, tab 2. Then we have here, for example, tab 2. Then we have here, for example, tab 2. Let me bring it here. Tab 2, okay? Tab 2, as you can see, it is there. Then you see, for example, we have, for example, tab 3. We have, for example, tab 3, okay? Tab 3, as you see, tab 3 is here. Then we have, for example, tab 4. Tab 4. Tab 4. Or are you seeing members? So members, there will be certain content which is here. There will be certain content which is here. Content which is here. And members, this content keeps changing depending on the tab on the particular tab you are on. Okay? The content keeps changing depending on the particular tab you are on. If I come and click on, for example, tab 1, the content changes. And I come and click on, for example, tab 2, the content changes here. And I come and click on, for example, tab 3, the content changes here. And I come and click on, for example, tab 4, the content here changes. Okay? Okay, so that's how it's going to go. And this concept of sliding is very crucial. It's very crucial, members. Okay? Okay? Okay, this concept here is a very crucial concept, and I want you to pay very keen attention as we cover it. Okay? Okay. So we are going to start. I can come here. Right now you can see my page here. My VS Code is empty, as you can see it here. Okay? Okay. So after installing my project very well, it's like this. Right now I have only my page. The TSX is here. Okay? The project is in TypeScript and Tailwind. Okay? Okay, so as you can see, my project is here and it's empty. I have here my page.tsx. Okay, okay, that's how it appears. So I want to build this concept here of the tabs from scratch. Okay, and you see it. Okay, okay. So here, members, let's come and we see. So I'm going to come here. As you can see, my page is here, and I come and say here RFC. Okay, RFC, it's coming. It's coming. It's loading. RFC is there, okay? Okay, it's here. So as you can see, my page is here, okay? Okay, so let me first come, I put here, for example, class name, and I come, I put here, for example, width full, and then I put here, for example, height, screen, okay? Okay, so I can put here, for example, background color, maybe like, let me say like orange maybe 500, okay? Okay, just like this, okay? Okay, so as you can see, I want you to see what you're going to do. I come here and it's now loading. It's now loading, okay? It's loading, it's coming. I've put here, it's now coming on the server. It's coming, okay? It's okay, it's here, okay? It's here. So let me come, as you can see, it's here. So I come here and now I'm putting, for example, the tabs container, okay? Okay, so I'm now starting. I put here, for example, the tabs container. The tabs container, as you see it here, okay? The tabs container is there. And it's like this, okay? Okay. So I come, I put here, for example, tabs container is here, and I come, I say here div is here, and I come, I put here, for example, class name, and I come, I put here, for example, width full, no, width, instead of width full, width a half, and I come, I put here height maybe like 70 VH, height, for example, like 70 VH, okay? And I come, I put here, for example, background color, maybe like green 500, okay? Okay, just like this. So I'll see how that one, how the container looks. It's coming, it's coming, it's compiling, it's coming. As you can see, it's coming. Okay, it's here. It is here, okay? Okay, so I'll put it in the center. I come, I put on this one here, I put here, for example, flex. Okay, and I come, I put here, for example, item center. And I come, I put here, for example, justify content center, okay? Okay, so it's coming very well. It's coming in the center here. It's coming in the center. Okay, it is here. It is here, okay? Okay, so the first achievement I have done is to make this outer coating of the container, okay? Okay, so I'm now coming. I now want to make a simple header for this tabs for the tab container. Okay, okay. So I am making now a simple header. I'm making a simple header for the tabs container. For the tabs container. For the tabs container. Okay. So I'm making now a simple header for the tabs container. Okay. Okay. Just like this. So it looks like this. Now let me first highlight it there. It's there. So I come here, I put there the simple header. I put here, for example, div. Okay. Put here, for example, div. And I put here, for example, class name. And I put here, for example, width full. Then I put here, for example, height. I put here height, for example, what can I put? Maybe height of maybe like 10 VH. Okay. Then I put here, for example, background color. Background color I can maybe put like which color can I put? Maybe like blue. Maybe like blue, okay? Maybe like blue, okay? Blue like 500, and I said it looks like, okay? Okay. So let me say it looks like it's coming. It's coming. Let me see. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. So let's you watch what I'm going to do. Watch exactly what I am going to do. Okay. Okay. So it's there. So it is here. Okay. Okay. Same as it looks like this. Okay. Okay. So I'm coming very well, as you can see on this simple header. I now come. I put, for example, the buttons. Okay. In this simple header here, I'm going to put there. Maybe before I can put even buttons there, this is going to be my simple header. Okay. Okay, so let me put now the body. Let me come. I put now the body. I put here the body of my tags container. Okay, the body of my tags container. Okay, okay. So it's like this. It's like this. So it is like this. I put it here. So I put here the body, and it's here. Div, as you can see, it's here. Then I put here, for example, here class name, and I can put here, for example, width full. Then I put here, for example, height. What height can I put there? I can put there maybe like 60 VH. 60 VH. Height is 60 VH. 60 VH. Okay. 60 VH. And I put here, for example, which color can I put? Maybe background like which color can I put there? Real? Hey, let me put here maybe gray. Let me put there maybe like gray. Can gray work for me? Can gray work for me? Can gray work for me? Okay, let me put there gray, and I see gray 500, and I see. Okay. So the body, the tablet container, this one here is there. Okay. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. So the body is here. Okay. Now the body has covered. The body has covered. Now the header is here, as you can see it. The header from here up to here, and now the body from here up to here. Okay. Okay. So it's good, as you can see it. It's there. So even if I remove this outer green here, which was there. Okay. Even if I remove it. Okay. Okay. Same as my tab is there. My tab is there. Okay. Okay. Same as I can even come and remove even the orange. Are you seeing this orange which is behind? I can even come and remove it. I can even come and remove it. Okay. Okay. But let me just leave it. Let me just leave it for someone to see what we are going to do. Okay. Okay. Same as my code is going to be inside here. My code is going to be inside here, and here is going to be my buttons inside this tabs header. Okay. Okay. So I'm going to come. Are you seeing? So for example, something like this. Are you seeing, for example, something like this? When I come here, you see these ones are buttons. These ones are buttons. This is button 1. This one is also another button. This is also another button. This one is also another button. This one you can see. Okay. Okay. So I come. I put the buttons there. Come. I put the buttons there. So the buttons are here. I put there, for example, button. Okay. And I come. I put here, for example, class name. And I put here, for example, let me say like what can I give it? For example, let me give it like which class can I give it? Because maybe let me say like class name is maybe like p. No, let me give you, for example. I'm thinking about, okay, width like of like a half of quarter, width of quarter. And I put here, for example, height full. Okay. And I put here, for example, background color. Background color may be like a pink. Background color may be like a pink. Okay. Okay. So this is the first button. Okay. Okay. So let me see how it looks like. I'm designing this button here, which has tab 1. Okay. I'm telling that button which has tab 1, and you see it's here, okay? It is there, okay? Okay. So I put some bit of padding. I put some bit of padding. I put here, for example, padding of maybe like 2. I put, for example, padding of maybe like 2, and I see it's there, it's coming, it's coming. Okay, it's good, it's good. As you can see, it's good, okay? Okay. So you can see the button is there. This button is there. So, members, as you can see, I put some bit of rounded on the button, okay? Put some bit of rounded on the button. As you can see, rounded makes the corners round, okay? Okay. So it's coming, so it has rounded the button. Are you seeing it? It has rounded the button, okay? Okay. You can see the button is there. So let me come here. Maybe is this one so dark? Let me make it a little bit light, okay? Someone to see. Okay, it's there. It's now there. You can see, members, okay? It was too dark, okay? It's there. So, members, as you can see, the button is there. So, say the button I put there, for example, I put there, for example, tab 1. Tab 1, okay? I put, for example, tab 1 inside the button, okay? Okay, the button has there, for example, tab 1. So, as you can see, it's coming. Tab 1 is there, okay? Tab 1 is there, okay? Okay. As you can see, tab 1 is there. So, members, everything is good, okay? Everything is good, okay? Okay. So, as you can see, I can just come and duplicate, I make more 4 buttons, and they appear like this. And they appear like this, okay? And they appear like this, okay? Okay. So, I'm coming, I want to duplicate this one here, I make them like 4, okay? Okay. So, I just come, I copy all of these ones, and I put them here. I put there, this is button 2, button 3, and this is button 4. They are all inside the tabs header. This one you're seeing here, the header, okay? The simple header, okay? Okay. So, but this concept should not confuse you with the layout, okay? The concept for where we have, for example, pages. So this one is not a page. This one is something completely different, okay? Okay. So I put here, for example, the buttons, as you can see them, they are there. So I put some bit of gap. Then you come here on the overall content, I put some bit of gap. Put there, for example, gap of, for example, like 2. So it's coming, gap of 2, gap of 2, it's coming. I understand. So let me put there, for example, flex here. Let me put there, for example, flex. And I put there, flex moves with gap, okay? Flex moves with gap. So as you can see, it's there, okay? Wow, it's there. Everything is good, okay? Everything is good. So let me just put there tab 2, tab 3, and tab 4, okay? Okay. So I come on this one, I put there tab 2, okay? Then I put there tab 3, as you can see it there. Then I put there, for example, tab 4, okay? Okay. So as you can see it, look, it's coming. So this one is tab 2, tab 3, tab 4, okay? Okay, members, okay? Okay. So members, the biggest trick is when the content which is inside here changes. If I come and tap, for example, tab 1, the content which is inside here is for tab 1. If I come and tap here, for example, tab 2, the content which is inside here is for tab 2. If I come and tap here, for example, tab 3, the content which is inside here is for tab 3. If I come and tap here, for example, tab 4, the content inside this one also is for tab 4. That is the biggest trick, okay? That is the what? The biggest trick, okay? Okay. So as you can see, let me come and now correct this. So I'm going to work on the body now. I'm going to work on the body, but right now I don't enjoy doing it inside the page, okay? I don't enjoy doing it inside the page. So I'm just going to come, I create a component for this one, okay? Okay. I'm just come, I create a component for this tabs container, all of it. So I come outside here and I create here, for example, components. I create here, for example, components. Components, as you can see them there. No, let me come, I make this one small, see, rename. Components, okay? Components, as you can see them, they're there, okay? Okay, so it's there, and I create here, for example, tabs container. I create here, for example, tabs container. Tabs container, okay? Tabs container.tsx, okay? Okay, it's like that, okay? Okay, so I put the RFC, as you can see there, RFC, okay? It's there. So as you can see, it's here, my RFC, and the tabs container is there. We are well created. I come, I drag, I cut all of this, I cut all of it, and I remove it from there, and I come, I put it inside the tabs container here, okay? Inside the tabs container, it's there. It is there, okay? Okay, so I'll put it inside the tabs container is there. Then I come, I bring it back. Right now, when you go on the UI, it has disappeared, okay? It has now disappeared. So bring it back on the page. I come, I open the comment there and say tabs container. You see it? So they bring it, okay? Bring it very well. And here you can see they have imported it and they brought it from the tabs container, okay? Okay. Same as this is the first step and it is done, okay? Okay. So I enjoy doing it from its particular component, okay? Okay. So here, members, as you can see, this the first step is done, okay? Okay. So we are going now to the second step, and this one is the one which is a little bit tricky. All the content you are going to have in these tabs here is going to be for different containers, okay? Okay. So let me come here and create here, for example, here, the content is supposed to be inside here, okay? All the content is supposed to be inside this one here, the body, okay? For that tabs container, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here, I create here, for example, content. I come and create here, for example, content for let me come I quote here, for example, container having content for tab 1 for tab 1, okay? Having content for tab 1, okay? Okay. Same as you know, it's like this, okay? Container having content for tab 1. I'm going to create that container, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here and create here the container. As you can see, it's there. So let me first see how it looks like. It's here, okay? Okay. So I'm going to come and create that container having a content for tab 1. And I'm putting it here. So I come and create here, for example, div, okay? For example, div, okay? Then I come and create here, for example, class name. Then I come I put here, for example, width. I put here width full. Then I come I put here, for example, height full, okay? Then I come I put here, for example, background color, maybe like, let me say like green, okay? Let me say like green 500, okay? Okay, just like that. So let's see how it looks like. It's coming. Okay, it's there, okay? It's there, okay? Okay, it's there. So I put the content I have in point for tab 1, okay? Okay, so I can come, I put there, for example, height. I can put there maybe like let me put there, for example, like maybe like a p tag, okay? And I come, I put there, for example, like let me put like a header. Let me put like a header. I put there, for example, no. Let me put there, for example, heading 1. And I come, I put there, for example, like this one contains content for tab 1 for tab 1, okay? Okay, so content content for tab 1. Let me first say it looks like. It's coming, okay? It's there. So it's there. So I'm going to, maybe let me add some bit of I put there class name, then I put there, for example, text, then I put there 2XL, okay? 2XL, okay? Okay, text 2XL. So I'm inside how it looks like. It's coming, it's there. But maybe instead of 2XL, let me put there, for example, just font bold. Let me just put there, for example, font bold, okay? Let me put, for example, font bold, okay? Okay, so inside it looks like it's coming, okay, it's there. But let me just say, let me text XL, okay? Text XL, yeah, XL is enough. So inside it looks like it's coming, it's there. Maybe this one can work for me, okay? So it can maybe work for me. So let me come, I put there other things, okay? Let me come, I put there other things in this container. Come, I put, for example, p tag, and I can put like can maybe put like maybe lorem, okay? Lorem. And I can put maybe like p tag, and I put there that this is a very good lesson. This is a very good lesson, okay? This is a very good lesson, okay? Okay. Then I put there everybody. Put there everyone should pay maximum attention. Should pay maximum attention. Okay? So members, I'm just trying to put certain content which is inside here. I'm just trying to put certain content, okay? Okay. So members, as you can see, it looks like this, okay? Okay. So members, I am putting this content which is inside this container here. This container you're seeing here. Container having content for tab 1, okay? Okay. So let me come and put it in the center. Can I come and put it in the center? Come I put it I can come I put there for example come I put there for example like let me say a flex. Let me put there item center. Then I put there for example justify center, okay? Okay. Then come I put there, if I put justify center, let me see how it looks like. Let me see how it looks like. It's coming. Let me see how it looks like. It's coming, okay. So let me put there for example flex selection column, flex call. Let me put there flex call, okay? Put there for example flex call, okay? Okay. So I put flex call, let me see how it looks like. It's coming, okay, it's there. So as you can see, it's there. So let me put there for example some bit of maybe like a padding, okay? Let me put there for example px6, okay? Px6, then I said it looks like it's coming, okay, it's there. So as you can see, it's there. Then I put for example some bit of gap. I can maybe put like gap of 4, okay? Gap of maybe like 4, okay? Okay. So gap of 4, let me say it looks like it's there. Same as this one contains content for tab 1, okay? 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 Okay. So this one you're seeing there is for tab 1, okay? Okay. So this one, as you can see, it's this container, okay? It is this container, okay? Okay. So let me just, for the interest of time, I don't want to repeat again. I make another container. I repeat, I make another container. Let me just come. I just copy like this one here, okay? And then I just duplicate it, okay? Okay. Just copy it here and I put it there, okay? And I put this one here. So members, one thing I'll tell you is, after me doing this one here and it is successful, I can come and I silence it all off. Okay, let me not confuse you. Let me first take it back. Let me first take it back and you see very well, okay? And you see, same as it looks like this, it looks like this, okay? This one looks like this, okay? Okay. Same as I'm going to come, I silence this one. I can come, I silence it off. Because all the code is going to be inside this body here. What is going to be inside this body? All the code is going to be inside this body. You see this body here? It's all going to be there. Now I have to put now a container which is going to have a content for tab 2. Okay? Okay? Okay. So I'm putting it there. It's here. Now let me come, let me switch and I see. Okay, it's there. So I'm putting content now which is having a content for tab 2 now. For tab 2. Okay? For tab 2. It's there. So this one here is going to, this one contains content for tab 2. So contains content for tab 2 as you can see there, okay? Okay. So I can come, I put there anything, I can come, I put there anything inside here, okay? Okay. So I can come, I put there, for example, what can I put inside this one here? Can come, I put there, can come, I put there, for example, I love mercy, just like this, okay? I'm just trying to put any content which you can see here, okay? I'm trying to put any content which you can see there, okay? Okay. So I can come and put there, for example, I love mercy, as you can see there. She is a good girl. I put there, she is a good girl. She is a good girl. Okay? She is a good girl. Okay? She is patient. I come, I put there, she is patient. She is patient. Okay? I'm trying to put there anything. You can put there anything for tab 2, okay? You can put there anything for tab 2, okay? Okay. So let me see how it looks like. Let me see how it looks like. Tab 2. Just tab 2 alone. Tab 2 is here, okay? This one contains content for tab 2, okay? I love Mercy, she's a good girl, she is patient, okay? Okay. So I can even come and put there a P, another paragraph, and she deserves the best. She deserves all the best. All the best in the world. All the best in the world. All the best in the world. Okay? Okay. So I can put that one there, as you can see it there, it's there. It's coming. So it's there, okay? This one is content for tab 2, okay? It's content for tab 2, okay? Okay. So as I understand this very well, okay? Okay. So now there is another. Now let's work now on tab 3, okay? This one is done. So after doing this one, I silence it. I do what? I silence it, okay? I silence it, okay? Okay. So I can come here now. I got done for tab 4 for content 3, okay? And I'm going to run for content 3, okay? For tab 3. So I can come here and put there, for example, content having content for tab 3, okay? Okay. Members, what I'm doing, this one contains content for tab 3, okay? So contains content for tab 3, okay? Okay. So I put there, for example, I hate. I'm just trying to give an example, okay? Just an example, okay? Okay. I hate maybe like Jane. I hate maybe like Jane. Okay? I hate Jane. She has bad manners. She has bad manners. Okay? Okay? She is very indisciplined. I put there. She is very disciplined. She is very indisciplined. Indisciplined. Okay? Disciplined. Okay? Okay. And I put there, for example, I wish she changes. I wish she changes. I wish she changes. Okay? Okay. Same as you can see, this one contains code for tab 3. Okay? Okay, so it's coming. It's coming. It's coming. Okay, it is here, okay? Okay? Okay, it's here, okay? Okay. So members, after doing one for tab 3, as you can see it there, I come and silence it. I come and do what? I silence it like this, okay? Okay. So now I'm going for the point for tab 4. I'm not going for point for tab 4. But all of them, they're inside the body. They're inside the what? They're inside the body, okay? Okay. They're all inside the body. So I come and put now this one here for tab 4. This one here is for tab 4. Tab 4. Okay? Okay. This one contains going for tab 4, as you can see it there. And I'm just trying to duplicate what the other tabs, okay? Okay. So I can come and put there just for the interest of time. I don't want to keep repeating it like that, okay? Okay. So I can come and put there, I wish I can go out with her. Can go out with her. Out with her. Okay? Okay. So I can put maybe this one here. I can put maybe this code here. I can come and put there. Last week we went swimming. I can put there. Don't calculate that. Last week we went swimming. We went swimming. We went swimming. Okay. We went swimming. Okay. And I can put there. We found. We found. Okay. We saw a very big monster. A very big monster. Okay, as we were swimming. As we were swimming. Okay? Okay. So I'm just trying to put any duplicate. I'm just trying to create any code, okay? And I put there in a tab, which is supposed to be for tab 4, okay? Okay. So let me see how it looks like. Okay. So it's like that. My tab 4 is like that, okay? My tab 4 is like that, okay? Okay. So you must just try to understand the concept, okay? Just try to understand the concept, okay? Okay. So I also silence this one here. This one is tab 4. This one is tab 4. Okay? This one is tab 4. So I silence also this one here for tab 4. Okay? I also silence it like this. Okay? Okay. So after silencing this one here for tab 4 members, at this moment in time, all the content is going to be there. All the content is going to be in one body. Okay? All the content is going to be in one body. That's what you should know. The all content is going to be in one body. Okay? Okay. So now how do I now fix this content and I put it there in that body? Whereby I click on for example this one here. I now click on this one here, it shows me content for tab 1. I click on this one here, it shows me content for tab 2. Come and click on this one here, it shows me content for tab 3. Come and click on this one here, it shows me content for tab 4. That's the next step we are going for. Okay? Okay? Okay. So I'm going to come here. I'm not going to come here. I'm going to come up here. Come up here. Exactly here. And I come and create here. Now, what am I going to do there? I'm going to create a state to remember the selected tab. Okay? I'm going to come here. I create a state. Create a state to remember the selected tab. Okay? Create a state to remember the selected tab. Okay? Okay. So come I put there, for example, const. Okay? Const, and I put there, for example, active tab. Active tab. And I come I put, for example, set active tab. Okay? Set active tab. Okay? And I come I put there is equal to, and I put there useState. useState. Okay, useState, as you can see it there, and I put there useState. As you can see, useState is there. Okay, okay. So members, we are going to create like 4 things. Okay, there is tab 1, there is tab 1, okay, but all of them they're like string format. Okay, then there is tab 2, then there is tab 2, then there is tab 2, okay, then there is tab 3. So as we're trying to create these ones, okay, tab 3, as you can see them there. Okay, okay, then there is tab 4, then there is tab 4. Okay, okay, just like this. So as this use state here comes from React. Okay, okay. Whenever we have a hook here, whenever we have a hook, okay, so even up here we're supposed to put there use client. Okay, use client. Okay, okay. So I can put there, for example, use client. Use client, as you see there. Okay, okay. So it looks like this. It looks like that. Okay, okay. So after doing that, I'm going to come here. What exactly what I'm going to do? What I'm going to do exactly? Okay, okay, okay. Members, you're watching what I'm going to do. Members, you're watching what I am going to do. Okay, okay. So I put here the one for remembering the active tab. Okay, which I am on. Okay, okay. So as you can see, it's there. So I'm going to come here. Members, you watch what I'm going to do exactly. Okay, what I'm going to do? I'm going to come here. I can maybe first Control X, I cut it like this. Okay, I now come, I open the tab, the JavaScript brackets there. Okay, okay, and I come, I say here active tab. If active tab is equal to, eh? If active tab is equal to, eh? Tab 1, okay, tab 1, okay, tab 1. If active tab is equal to tab 1, okay, active tab is equal to tab 1. Remember, master what I'm telling you very well. Master what I'm telling you, okay? Okay. If active tab is equal to tab 1, tab 1, tab 1, tab 1, okay? Okay. If it's equal, you put even now, we put now conditional rendering, okay? We are now going to put some bit of condition. No, let's not put the comma there. Let's just say here and, okay? You just show this. Okay, and you just show this one here like that. Okay, just show this one here, as you can see. So this one I can come and remove, for example, this one. Come and remove this. Okay, I come and remove that, and also I come and remove this one which was commenting. Okay, just like that. Okay, just like that. Okay, okay, okay. So after connecting this one here to tab 1, I also need to connect the button. Okay, okay. I come now. Where's the button? Where is the button? Now, now can I connect the button right now? Is it okay for me to connect the button right now? Okay, let me first come. I show you. So after me doing something like this, I now come and connect the button. But where's the button? Button is here. Okay, the button is here. Okay, okay, it is here. So I come and click on. I tap on this one. I connect it. I say on click. When I click this button here, okay, okay, when I click this button here, okay, I now put an arrow function to do that for me. Come I put there, set active tab, okay, okay, and I put there tab 1, okay, come I put there tab 1, okay, come I put there tab 1. But now members, we did not define the type for this one, and of course this one is going to hit back onto us. Okay, okay. So I come here and I define the type for it. I taught you types. Okay, okay, okay. I put this one which you're seeing here is a string. Okay, so you're seeing here is a string. Okay, okay. I put there the types. I put there string. just like that, and it goes away, okay? Okay? Okay, just like this. So if I come, I tap on, for example, tab 1 like this. Here there is nothing at the beginning, okay? There's nothing at the beginning. Are you seeing? It was like the way it was before, okay? Now I come and tap on, for example, tab 1. Supposed to be bring for me the content. Supposed to be for me the content. Supposed to be for me the content. Supposed to be for me. Okay. Wow. Wow. It has come. Okay. The content has come very well. Okay. Okay. Members, are you understanding right now what you're doing? Okay. This one is called for tab 1. Okay. Okay. So now I'm going to tab 2. When I tap on, for example, tab 2, there's nothing yet there. Okay. So I'm going to come and connect now tab 2. I'm now going to come and connect tab 2. Okay. I'm now going to come and connect. I'm now done with tab 1. I'm now done with tab 1. Okay. I'm now done with tab 1. Okay. Okay. So as you see what I'm going to do, I'm now coming to connect tab 2. So I'm coming here. I can come here. I now drag all of this. I cut it. I drag all of this, okay? Cut it like this. And I come, I put the JavaScript brackets there. And I come, I put there active tab, okay? I put some bit of condition on there is equal to, if active tab is equal to tab 2. If active tab is equal to tab 2, okay? Show this, okay? Show this. As simple as this. I put now the point there, okay? For tab 2. And I'll put that one for tab 2 there, okay? Okay. So as you can see, it's like this. It's like this, okay? It's like that, okay? Okay, just like that. Just like this, okay? Okay. So after connecting the content, as you can see it there, okay? I now come, I connect now the button. I now come, I do what? I connect the button, okay? Okay. Where's the button? Where's the button? Where's the button? Where's the button? The button is here, okay? Okay. I now connect the button. Because even if I connect the point very well, to not work unless I now connect the button, okay? Now you saw the tap on tab 2 right now. There is nothing which is working. There's nothing which is working, okay? Okay. So I come, I connect the button too. This one you're seeing here, okay? I say here, only click. When I click, okay? When I click, okay? When I click, okay? I put now an arrow function to do this for me, okay? I come, I put the set active tab, okay? And I come, I put there tab 2. As simple and clear as this, okay? Set active tab 2. After doing that, okay? After doing that, now let me come, I see. Okay? Now let me come, I see. So then I come, I click on tab 2. Like this, I click on it. Now, wow. This content here is for tab 2. Okay? 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 Members, I hope you're understanding this. I hope you're understanding what we are doing, okay? I hope you're understanding what we are doing, okay? Okay. So now let me come. I'm not going for tab 3. Right now, even if I click on tab 3, nothing won't happen. So I'm now going for tab 3. Okay? Okay. This one is done. Now I'm going for tab 3. I come. I cut is Control X. Control X. Okay? Control X. I now put there the JavaScript brackets as you see them there. Put the JavaScript brackets as you see them there. Okay? Can I say if active tab, okay, is equal to tab 3. Okay? 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 And I show this and show this. You have no choice but show this, okay? I put that, okay? Okay. So I paste it there. So I paste it there, as you can see. Okay? And then I come, I also remove this, okay? This one which was commenting. So after doing this, even if I come, right now at this moment in time, even if I come, I tap on tab 3, nothing is going to work. So I come, I correct the one for tab 3, okay? Okay. Where's the button for tab? Where's the button? That button is here, okay? Button is here. So I come, I say here, on click, okay? On click. Then I come, I put there this, okay? The arrow function as you see it there, to do for me that work, okay? Then I come, I say here, set active tab. Set active tab is coming from here. Members who are still lost about this, it's coming from here. Okay? It's coming from there. So it's there. Set active tab as you see it there. Okay? And I come, I put this one here. As you can see, I come, I put there. Tab 3. Okay? 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 Okay. So members, we are moving. So at this point in time, when I come and tap on, for example, tab 3, just click on it and see right now. Click on it like, wow. This code here is for tab 3. Okay? Okay? Okay. So this code here I think is for tab 3. Okay? Okay. Now we are going for tab 4. We're now going for tab 4. If I come and click on, for example, tab 4 right now, nothing is working. Okay? So I go down my content here. Let's go in for tab 4. Let's go in for tab 4. It's here. Okay? So I come, I cut it. There is what they call cut. There's what they call copy and paste. But now there's cut and paste. Okay? Cut is Ctrl X. Okay? Cut. Okay? Cut it like that. Then I come, I open the JavaScript brackets. Okay? Then I say here, active tab. Okay? Active tab. If active tab is equal to tab 4. Tab 4. Okay? Tab 4. These ones I just created them members. This one's not confused. You just create them out of my mind. Okay? So it's not a must that they are there. Even if there are 6 tabs, you just put that. Okay? You see me, I created these ones. I created them here. They're even here. I just created them here. Okay? That's why them there. Okay? Okay. So if it's equal to tab 4, okay? And members would like conditional rendering. And okay? Show this. Show this. Okay? Okay, just like that. So I come, I remove this, remove that. I also come, I remove also this one. Okay, I also come, I remove this one. Okay, okay, okay. So I remove that one. Right now, when I come and tap on it, for example, right now, tap on tab 4, it's not working. It's not working. So I come, I now connect the on click functionality on the tab, on the button. Okay. Okay, so I go to there like this. I say on click, okay, on click, okay. And I come, I put this one, auto function, and I come, I put set active tab, okay. And I come, I put this one, and I come, I put the active tab is tab 4. Wow, I know it has already worked even before I see it. Okay, so it's coming. So like how I click on, for example, tab 4. Wow, guys, nice. If you like this, please hit the like button. Okay, so they keep pushing this video to there, more and more people. Okay. So members, we are now done. Okay, we are now done. So if I come and reload here the page, if I reload the page, okay. Now it starts when the code is empty. Remember the empty container I made in the beginning for the body. Remember that empty container I made for the body. Okay? That's when it's empty. Okay? When I come and now click on tab 1, it shows code for tab 1. When I come and click on tab 2, it shows the code for tab 2. When I come and click on tab 3, it shows code for tab 3. When I come and click on tab 4, it shows code for tab 4. When I refresh here, let me begin again. It starts when it's empty. Okay? When I come and click on tab 1, code for tab 1. Come and click on tab 2, code for tab 2. Come and click on tab 3, code for tab 3. Okay? Okay? Okay. Come and click on tab 4, just code for tab 4. So now members, when I refresh like this the browser, I don't want it to be like this. Okay? I need to start from tab 1. You can make it start from tab 2, can make it start from tab 3, can make it start from tab 4. When I refresh like this, for example, if a user is using this website here and they refresh and they see nothing, this is bad. This is bad, okay? Okay. So I need to start from tab 1. You can make it to start from tab 2, tab 3, or tab 4. Maybe I have to start from tab 1. What do? I come here. I make it the default starting point. Come here. You see here. I see here members here. Make it the default starting point. I come, I put there. Tab 1. As simple, precise, and concise as that. Okay? So you have instructed it that starts from tab 1. Okay? Okay? Okay. So when you do that, when you reload, it starts by default starts from tab 1. Okay? Starts from tab 1. By default, even if I refresh, starts from tab 1. Okay? Okay, then you go to other tabs, for example, tab 2, tab 3, tab 4, like that. So by default, if I refresh like this, it starts from tab 1. Even if I was on tab 4, even if I was on tab 3, and I refresh the browser, it starts from tab 1. Okay? Okay, members? Okay? Okay. So members, when I tap on tab 1, I should see that I'm now tapping on tab 1. When I tap on tab 2, I should see that I'm now tapping on tab 2. There's nothing that shows. When I come and tap on tab 3, I should see that I'm now on tab 3. When I come and tap on tab 4, I should see that I'm on tab 4. That's what they call the active class. I talked about this. I talked about this in the past. The active class. The active class. And maybe the active class, the best active class to use here is white. Okay? It's white for understanding purposes. Okay? Okay. So let me come here on my button. On my button. Now this is where things get a little bit wholesomely nice. Okay? Come on the class, because the active class is on class. Okay? Okay? The active class is on what? Class. This is where there is W here. Width, full, height, like that, like that, like that, like that. And I come on here, pink, BG, pink, 400, rounded like that, up to here. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. I mean with these ones which were here. Instead of these ones here, which look like strings, I put brackets there. Because they're going to put their JavaScript. They're going to put their JavaScript. We are going to put their JavaScript, okay? Okay? I'm putting brackets because they're going to put their JavaScript, okay? Okay, before you need to put their JavaScript, it was just plain HTML. But now, since we are putting their JavaScript, we need to put the angle, it was curved brackets, okay? Okay? Okay. And then instead of instead of these ones here, I'm going to put these ones here. The squiggly. These ones here which are slanting. You see these ones here are slanting. Members, don't confuse the slanting ones with these ones here. Many people fall for this trap. They put these ones here, which is not supposed to be this. It's supposed to be this. Okay? These ones here are slanting. They're called the squiggly or the backticks, okay? They are found on that button before 1. Before 1, okay? Before 1, okay? On your keyboard, when you're seeing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a horizontal way, that button before 1 is where you find that squiggly. Okay? Okay. So I come and put it there. And now after doing this, members, after doing this, I come and put that $sign because I'm using JavaScript right now. Members, I'm using JavaScript right now. Okay? 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 Okay, $sign. I am now putting $sign. I come and put the I put the active tab. If active tab, okay? If active tab is equal to, if active tab is equal to 1, is equal to tab 1. Is equal to tab 1, okay? Members, we are now putting conditional rendering. I taught this one. I taught this one. There's a whole day I taught conditional rendering. Go search for that day if you have problems with conditional rendering and you practice, okay? Okay. If active tab is equal to tab 1, question mark, okay? Conditional rendering. Put the background color white. Okay? Background color white, okay? Else is this one, the column there. Put nothing. Okay? Just if I leave it nothing, like if I leave it like this, means just leave it untouched, else leave it untouched, okay? After this bracket, at the end of this bracket, I see this bracket which is here. At the end of this bracket here, I now come and paste what I copy. I paste what I cutted from the beginning, okay? I paste what I cut. Okay. I paste what I cut from the beginning, okay? Okay? I paste what I cut from the beginning, okay? Okay. Paste it there, like this. Okay? Paste it there. As simple as that, okay? As simple as that. What I cut from the beginning, I paste it there. Okay? Okay? What I cut from the beginning, like cut and paste, I paste it there. Okay? Okay. We are moving, members. I hope members are understanding. So members, when I come on my on my UI here, when I come on my UI, right now I believe it should be working right now. Let me reload. Let me reload. I see. Okay, wow. Guys, wow. So this one here shows that this one I am on the active tab. Okay? Right now I am on the active tab. The active tab is one which has white on it. Okay? So this is the active one. You must be understanding what I'm teaching you. I must understand what I'm teaching you. Okay? Okay? Okay. So now I'm on the active tab, as you can see it here. Okay? So we have to do the same for when I come on tab 1, it changes to tab 2. When I come on tab 3, it changes to tab 3. When I come on tab 4, it changes to tab 4. When I come on tab 1, it changes to tab 1. Because when I put the active class, I put the active class. I put the active class. Okay? Okay. So I have to do the same thing for tab 2, the same thing for tab 3, same thing for tab 4, okay, on that one. And I come up on 1, okay? Okay, so let me go on tab 2, I do the same thing. If I want to get understood members, I'm going to repeat it on this one, this button here. I come here, I cut all of this, okay? Cut all of it, Ctrl X, cut all of it. Remove this one here, because this one is for HTML, and put JavaScript brackets, okay? And I put there, I put there dollar sign, okay, dollar sign. No, first put the squiggly. First put the squiggly. This one here for the backticks, okay. And I put there dollar sign, okay. And I put there active tab, okay, is equal to, if active tab is equal to tab 2, okay, okay. And I put there question mark, okay. If they're equal to tab 2, is equal to tab 2, put this one here. If it's equal to tab 2, okay? If it's equal to tab 2, if it's equal to tab 2, okay? Come here at the end, I put there a question mark, okay? Then I put there at the end, I put there BG are white, BG white, okay? Else, okay? Else, just leave it, okay? Else, just put the, when I say leave it, I'm commanding the thing to leave it, okay? I'm not telling you to leave it. I'm commanding it to leave it. This one means ignore, okay? It's empty string means ignore, okay? And I come at the end of this column here, I just paste what I copied, what I cut, okay? Paste that one, okay? Okay, as simple as that. So let's go on tab 2 and we see. We reload, it's refreshing the browser, let's refresh and we see. Let's refresh and we see. Let's refresh and we see. So right now tab 1 is like this. When I come and tap on tab 2, the white shifts from tab 1 and goes to tab 2, okay? As simple as this. Wow. Wow. Guys, if you're liking this, please hit the like button, okay? Hit the like button and notification icon. And must please subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, okay? Okay. So as you can see, this one is now, right now we can now see the active class on them. Okay? Now I'm on tab 1, now I'm on tab 2. Now I'm on tab 1, now I'm on tab 2. And even the code is changing here, okay? Okay. Now I have to do the same for tab 3 and tab 4. Okay? Okay. So we are now going conditional rendering. Tab 3. Where is tab 3? Where is this button for tab 3? Okay? It's here. So I do the same. I cut all of it as you can see here. Okay? I cut all of it as you can see there. I now remove this one here for HTML. Those quotes for HTML. I put now there the JavaScript brackets. I put there this quickly, as you can see it there. I now I put there this, okay, the dollar sign. I put this one here, active tab. If active tab is equal to tab 3, okay, and I put there question mark, okay, and I put there this. BG should be white, background should be white if it's active, okay? Okay. And I put there else, just leave it. Okay? And I come at the end here, I put this. Okay? Right now, I believe we're already good, okay? Okay. So we are moving. Reload the browser and we see. Reload the browser and we see. Okay? Reload the browser and we see. Okay. So I come and tap on, so by default it's on tab 1. By default, I set it to tab 1. That's why it shows the active class is on tab 1 already. Okay? Okay. So I come and tap on tab 2, it's good there. Come on, tap on tab 3, it's there. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. 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 Guys, members, I really like this, okay? I really like this, okay? Okay. So we're left with this one here, tab 4, okay? Okay. So let's go tab 4. Let's go tab 4. Let's go tab 4. I come on this class here which you're seeing here, okay? I come on the class which you're seeing there. Control X, I remove that one there as you can see there. I change this one here from those quotes to the brackets, okay? I come, I put the squiggly as you see it there. And now come, I put the dollar sign as you see there. And I come, I put there the brackets. I say active tab is equal to tab 4, okay? Tab 4, okay? Tab 4. And I come, I put there a comma. And I come, I put there, if it's equal, show big background color should be BG should be white. BG white. You can even make it the one you want, but me, this one I'm just teaching you for just training purposes, okay? And I come the else, just leave it, okay? Else, just leave it. So I come at the end here and I just paste this, okay? Which I cut. As simple as that. Right now, members, as you can see, I believe everything is good. I believe everything is good at this moment. We're on tab 4. Wow! 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 So when I come I tap on, when I reload like this, the browser, it's going to start from tab 1 because I set tab 1 as default, okay? I set tab 1 as default, okay? Okay. So it starts from tab 1, okay? I come I put tab 2, tab 3, tab 4, tab 1, tab 2, tab 3, tab 4, like this. Wow, guys, this is nice, this is nice, this is nice, okay? This is nice. So even, I don't like this arrow which is here. If I do like it, I don't like this arrow you see. Okay? I want when I tap on a button, it should at least show cursor pointer, okay? Should show cursor pointer, okay? Instead of this one here. Instead of that one, okay? I don't like that one. I don't like that one. I don't like that one, okay? Okay. So let's go and see. Let us go. Maybe inside here I can just put the cursor pointer. But let me first see. Let me first see. We are in which one here? Let me first come and see here. Outside here, I put the cursor pointer and I see. Cursor pointer, and I see. Cursor pointer, and I see how it's going to look. Okay? Okay. So it's there, tab 4. Okay. 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 So let me put the cursor pointer on all of them. Let me put cursor pointer on all of them in that class, okay? On all of them. Cursor pointer, okay? Cursor pointer, okay? Cursor pointer, as you can see, I come there, come here and say a cursor pointer, okay? And I come, I put there, for example, here, cursor pointer. Come here, I say a cursor pointer, okay? Just like this. So members, it looks really nice, okay? Looks really nice, okay? So then I come, I put here, for example, like this. So when I come on this one here, I say cursor pointer. Come, I put the cursor pointer. I see, members. Okay, members, this is really nice. This is really nice, okay? This is really nice. Keep practicing this concept. This concept is very crucial. We are going to use this concept even on the multi-step form to come in the future. So let me just give you a hint. Those are very dangerous concepts which no one can even withstand if you don't know these things, okay? If you don't know these things, please practice this concept. Please practice this concept, okay? Okay? Please practice this concept, okay? Practice this concept, members, okay? Okay. Members, right now I believe I am good. I believe right now I can maybe end here. The video is getting a little bit lengthy, okay? Maybe allow me to end here, members. Okay, allow me to end here. So tomorrow is going to be the, let me first come here. I put here. Yeah, there aside the concept of tabs, okay? There aside the concept of tabs. Tomorrow is going to be day 79. What's going to be day 79? Day 79. Day 79. Okay? And I want to look at the concept of the search bar. The search bar. Don't miss, guys. Guys, where you see a search bar, anywhere you see a search bar, we are going to break this concept to the floor. Okay? We are going to break this concept to the floor, and I'm going to simplify it with the simplest means possible. I'm going to teach you how to build a search bar and even to search things by yourself and you see them work. Okay? Okay. So tomorrow I'm going to look at the concept of the search bar. Members, please be there. Please be there. If you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, notification icon, so you don't miss any of the upcoming classes. Let me just give you a hint. There is a normal search bar. There are two types of search bars. There's a normal search bar. There's a normal search bar. There's a normal search bar. Search bar. Okay? There's a normal search bar. And there is a live search bar. That which you see which is on Google is a normal search bar because it has a button which you click on to press, then you search, okay? That is what they call a live search bar. A live search bar. Okay? It's a live search bar. Okay? Okay. So members, this is just a hint of what we're going to cover tomorrow in tomorrow's class. So members, please come when you're prepared, okay? Come when you're prepared very well. We're going to look at this concept, okay? We're going to break it down to the simplest terms possible. Okay? Okay? Okay. So members, I hope members you have understood this nice concept. It's nice, okay? It's nice, okay? It is really nice. Members, I wish you all the best. Please practice this concept, okay? Practice this concept, okay? Okay. I wish you all the best. We shall meet in tomorrow's class, in tomorrow's video. Have a very good day.